In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the homepage in the Dawn theme on Shopify effortlessly. Customizing your online store is an exciting step in establishing your brand's unique identity and enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Let's dive into some basic editing via the theme editor, without any need for coding skills. These no-code methods are the perfect starting point for anyone. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Shopify Admin and click on the Online Store section. From there, head to Themes, where you should be able to locate your Dawn theme easily. Once you've found it, click on Customize. This action will automatically take you to the homepage template. If you don't see it right away, there's no need to worry. You can access it via the drop-down menu at the top, which might indicate Homepage or present something like Template Home. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find Sections. These sections are incredibly versatile, allowing you to add, rearrange, or remove components on your homepage. To inject some flair into your page, click Add Section. You'll be greeted with a list of options including featured products, slideshow, image with text, featured collection, newsletter sign-up, and more. Each section can be customized to reflect your brand's style and message. Within each section, you can upload images from your computer or select ones you've previously uploaded in your files. Editing isn't limited to images. You'll want to refine text, adjust buttons, insert links, and tweak headings to engage your audience effectively. Many sections also provide layout options, giving you control over alignment and the positioning of images and text. Occasionally, you'll find you can adjust background colors or even delve into some basic style settings to further refine the look. Certain sections allow for even more customization through blocks. Think multiple image blocks or text blocks, for example. These can be rearranged with a simple drag-and-drop motion, giving you flexibility and freedom in your design. If you come across sections that you don't need, simply click on the section and choose Delete to remove them or use the eye icon to hide them from view without permanently deleting them. Don't forget the importance of arranging your sections in a way that highlights your key content. Prioritize hero banners or featured collections by dragging the section handles, those three-line icons, to reorder them in your sidebar. Once you're satisfied with the changes, make sure to save them. It's crucial not to skip previewing your updates on both desktop and mobile devices. This step ensures that your store looks appealing and functions efficiently no matter where your customers are viewing it from. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a compelling, user-friendly homepage that keeps your customers engaged and coming back for more.